Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, CBGB Motorsports. I'm Colin.
I'm Gavin, and this is our project BMW Z3.
As you can see, the previous owner has taken out the lower bumper grille and replaced it with some chicken wire. While it looks very aggressive, it gives no protection to the components found behind it. Since this is a budget build, and the original part costs $60 to $80, we are going to fabricate a new part for the car.
Let's remove the chicken wire. Now that we have it out, we can use it as a template for the new one.
Since we are fabricating, there is no place to attach the grille. What we have done is cut furring strips and we will insert them in the front lip of the car. We will then attach the bottom of the grille to the pieces of wood.
What we removed was chicken wire. It is flimsy and does not offer a lot of protection. We replaced it with wire lath, which is stronger and offers more protection to the radiator.
Here we have the end result. It is mounted with screws into the wood that you saw earlier and zip tied to the top. Stay tuned next week to see when we spray paint the kidney grills black. So, if you like what you see, please like, subscribe, and tell all your friends. Support is very much appreciated.